first impression was real warm and fuzzy because Taylor Carr came over and talked to me about how they could help me out with my hail damage, and turned out I knew his aunt. I grew up with her, so he was real sweet. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give Kelley a 15. They did an awesome job. I just recommend calling a good contractor to get your damage repaired. A friend of mine called a bad contractor and ended up having to call a second one to repair what the first guy did. So anyway, Kelley did an awesome job.